What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Sunday. Usually I'd be watching my Oakland Raiders, but it's the off season, so you probably don't give a shit anyways. Quickly going to go over Gala. We're seeing some movement today, sitting at 0.029, down 5%. See a market cap of 205 million. 24-hour volume, wow, way down, 71 million. Let's hop into the chart. So, as you can see, we started to break down. So, it's likely we're putting in an ending diagonal. I said if we did break down, our target is 0.025. So we could be coming down in the wave 3. It would bounce up in a 4, come down in a final wave 5, down to that target and complete this pullback for Gala Games. I said to watch for the double bottom if we do break down. We got rejected by the 20 EMA, so 0.0258 is below the previous low. Watch for a bullish divergence on the daily RSI. And let's see how we're looking on the money flow. Wow, money's flowing in pretty strongly on the daily time frame. So if we create a lower low, you're for sure going to see a bullish divergence on the money flow and probably on the RSI as well. And that will be a signal for us that the bottom is in. We can reverse at any time in this zone here. But if we are going to follow this ending diagonal with this falling wedge, then we could come down to about 0.025, 0.026. And then potentially bounce off the wedge and see continuation back to the upside. All right, gang, that's it for this quick update. We're currently in 3 trades. If you sign up to Bybit or Bitget, grab those bonuses. Check out my full link tutorials. All you have to do is make your first deposit. I mostly trade on Bitget. It takes 2 minutes. And you get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, auto, all plays. Also, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All you have to do is email me your sign-up email after you make your first deposit, or it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon for direct access. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you tomorrow. Much love. Take care.